we have this value of a, and we need to evaluate the cube root of this a. As we look closely, here are 18 digits. If we focus, 6 nines are here, starting from units place. So I can write these nines in the form of base 10. So this is 9 into 10 raised to power 0 for unit place, 10 raised to power 1 for 10 place, 10 raised to power 2 for 100 place, and so on up to 10 raised to the power 5. So in totality, from 10 to the power 0 to 10 to the power 5, there will be 6 places where 9 can be placed like this. Now this 2 here is present at the 7th place, so I can write it as plus 2 into 10 raised to power 6, because this 2 comes before this 9. So this 9 here is just present in the form of 10 raised to power 5. So 2 will be present in the form of 10 raised to power 6. In this region, there are 12 digits. So this 7 can be written in the form of 7 into 10 raised to the power 12, because this 7 is placed at the 13th place. So the 13th place can be written in the form of 7 into 10 raised to power 12. Now this 9 is at the 14th place. Here it is 15th, 16th, 17th, and 18th place. So these 9s can be written as 9 into 10 raised to power 13 plus 10 raised to power 14 plus so on up to 10 raised to power 17. This entire expression is the breakup of this number actually. Now if we see these numbers inside the brackets are forming a GP, that is a geometric progression. Sum of n terms is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1 when the common ratio is greater than 1. As we can see, this is a GP and this is also a GP, and in both the GPs the common ratio is 10. It can be written as a is equal to 9 into 1 into 10 to the power 6 minus 1 upon 10 minus 1, because here are 6 terms, so that's why here it is 6, plus 2 into 10 to the power 6 as it is, plus 7 into 10 to the power 12 as it is, plus 9 into 10 to the power 30 into 10 to the power 5 minus 1 upon 10 minus 1. Here 9 and 9 gets cancelled. 9 and 9 cancels here also. So a becomes 10 to the power 6 minus 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power 6 plus 7 into 10 to the power 12 plus 10 to the power 18 minus 10 to the power 13. 3 into 10 to the power 6 minus 1. After combining these two terms, it becomes this: 7 into 10 to the power 12 minus 10 to the power 13 in one bracket and 10 to the power 18 alone. After solving, taking 10 to the power 12 common, we get 7 minus 10 inside the bracket. 3 into 10 to the power 6 minus 1 minus 3 into 10 to the power 12 plus 10 to the power 18. Combining these, 3 into 10 to the power 6 into minus 1 square as it is, because minus 1 square is 1, plus 3 into 10 to the power 6 to the power 2 into minus 1, because 10 to the power 6 to the power 2 is ultimately 10 to the power 12, and this minus is represented by this minus 1, plus 10 to the power 6 to the power 3. For this 10 to the power 18, I can write this, and minus 1. Ultimately, this whole thing becomes, if I can grab the pattern here, it becomes 10 to the power 6 minus 1 whole cube. And finally, we need to evaluate a to the power 1 upon 3, which becomes 10 to the power 6 minus 1.